What it is, what it do, it's your girl Shita B, aka Fine and Nubian, aka Finest Nigerian, aka Everyday Fans. I am back at it again. Yeah, as y'all can see, it is hard for me to even keep my eyes up on the camera because I'm ready to smash. I'm ready to mukbang in this thing, book gang, all that stuff. I don't care. But I'm ready to smash. You feel me? So, in front of me, I have, like variety of African food. I have jollof rice right here. And right here, I have my white rice. So, I already poured me. I couldn't wait. Like, I'm hungry. So, I got the white rice, jollof rice, right there, I have my spinach fried stew. I don't know if that's how you call it in the English term, but this is F4 Ninja style. Some spaghetti right there for the kid, and the sauce with the jerk chicken is right here. And let's get into it. So I figured, while I'm smashing, I want to talk to you guys. Shoot, what was I trying to talk about? Oh yeah. So I figured while I'm, mukbanging, I'll talk to you guys about standards, females, about y'all standards and this man requirement. What is your standard? What is your type of shit? You know what I'm saying? The thing is that I've watched a couple of YouTubers' videos, I feel that as being an aspiring YouTuber, it's only right that I should stalk these people's videos. Not necessarily stalk, but I should see what some people are about. You feel me? So, when I watch some people like clarencenyc and flightreacts. I know flightreacts likes to say this a lot, that a female has to keep her nails done. Let me tell y'all something. A female, your type is the female that keeps her nails done. Let me tell y'all something. First of all, I refuse to let y'all I'm not gonna say that. I refuse to let these fools make a requirement that if I don't keep my nails done, then I'm like disqualified from your type of girl. And that's cool, whatever. But the thing is, the funny part is, don't make any standards that your mother doesn't, doesn't do. And you know damn well your mama raised you better than that. This is all carbs right here. I need to gain some weight. Ooh, and it's spicy. As I was saying, man, this shit's spicy. I can't even talk. Don't make some requirements that your mother doesn't fucking have. Y'all need to humble yourselves. Because some females don't keep their nails done, not because they're broke or they can't do it or blah blah blah. Some people, their job requirements actually requires no artificial nails, like being a nurse, working in the hospital, you know what I'm saying? When you do hair, stuff like that. Some people can braid without with artificial nails. And I feel like all those stuff are materialistic things at the end of the day. Ladies, don't you ever let this man change who you are. Okay? If you don't like to keep your nails up, then don't fucking keep your nails up to keep your man. Wearing makeup, keeping your nails done, doing all that stuff doesn't help you keep your man. And y'all see me right now, I have no makeup on. It's in the morning. I don't feel like doing my makeup. So this is Vita Malt. All this stuff is very fattening, but as you can see my skinny ass, I need any fat gain that I can have, okay? But my ladies, as I was saying, don't ever change to keep a man. Don't feel like, oh, he wants a girl that's gonna have to keep her nails done. So you out here acting a fool, wasting your money, knowing damn well that's not what you used to do. It's not gonna help you keep him, sis. It's only gonna make him fuck the next bitch that don't have her nails done, or I do have her nails done. Oh my god. I'm gonna some chicken in here. All I've been doing is smashing. Yeah. That's the chicken with the red sauce, you feel me? Ata ding ding. And jerk chicken. I made jerk chicken. I actually made all this food in front of me right now. I'm the best fucking cook. Y'all need to stop playing with me. Man, gotta pick him up and throw him in the mouth. Cause you see all these fucking boys that makes requirements. It's one, your parents are not even together. Your mama probably ugly as hell. And you have to guess to tell me that I gotta cook my nails done for you? Or it's gonna be a turn off for you? No, bye. We're not gonna do that. That's not what we're gonna do. It's boring in here. Yeah, so this green shit right here, spinach, this shit is bomb. It's called EVERYDAY in Nigeria. And in here there's like stockfish, all type of meat, and crabs, all that ish in here. It's so good. I like to eat it with rice. I really like rice. I eat rice 365 days a year. Mm. Yo, man. And then, one of the reasons why I can't even keep my nails done, even if I want to, I can't keep my nails done, even if I want to, because whenever I get my nails done, it's so spicy. My shit always splits in the middle. And I know some of y'all females know what I'm talking about. My nails always splits and I get mad. And I be big mad about it. So my point is, at the end of the day, ladies, don't ever let any man make you feel like you gotta do some shit for his ass, for him to accept you, okay? If you're not his type, you're not his type. Don't force it. Trust me. Because if you're his type, that nigga will be heads over heels for you. Man, this shit, man. That was Pomon right there. Pomon is cow skin. Yeah, Africans eat cow skins. Nigerians. Oh my god, it's so spicy. Make sure y'all check out the video of me cooking this jollof rice and making this grilled jerk chicken. And with that being said, it's a wrap. I'll see y'all in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment of what y'all want to see next. I'm done. I only got my chicken left. My plate is done. I got that food pregnancy.